In commemoration of its 42nd legal year, the Judiciary of the Gambia, in conjunction with the Gambia Bar Association and Ministry of Justice, conducted a bench and bar dialogue at the Sadauda Kairaba Jawara International Conference Center on Tuesday. This dialogue served as a platform for key stakeholders in the administration of justice to convene and explore strategies for addressing impediments to the swift and quality delivery of justice. The occasion, part of the legal year celebration, allowed the judiciary to reflect on challenges, plan for the future, and ensure the efficient dispensation of quality justice. During the event, Honorable Chief Justice of the Republic of the Gambia, Hassan B. Jallo, emphasized the mutually beneficial nature of the dialogue for both the bench and the bar.
The bench and the bar, of course, are the most, at least among the most important stakeholders in the delivery of justice. And so it is important that we do meet occasionally to have a discussion of an overall view of the challenges in the process, but also discuss how each of us can actually improve our own working methods. The bench will benefit very much from the views of the bar. The bar will benefit very much from the views of the bench as well, I am sure. So each of us will benefit from the other in terms of identifying what is seen as some of the difficulties on the other side and how those could be addressed. But beyond those concerns, of course, we have the common concern of the whole system, the entire system itself. How can we improve the process of justice in the jurisdiction?
The Honorable Chief Justice shared his expectations from the dialogue, underlining the significance of collaborative efforts in pursuing justice.
So at the end of the day, I'm looking forward basically to some good recommendations coming out as to how we can generally deal with the challenges that we face in the administration of justice, and what is our own perception as to how each of the stakeholders, the bench and the bar, can perform better in order to make sure that our common mission of ensuring speedy, effective, efficient justice is attained.
Mr. Hussein Tomasi, Solicitor General and Legal Secretary at the Attorney General Chambers, urged the participants to maintain professionalism in their engagements.
I just want to remind each and everyone here that it's important that we conduct this dialogue in an atmosphere of civility and professionalism. Of course, mindful of the fact that we should also be candor, very candor in this dialogue.
Counsel Nene MC Cham, President of the Gambia Bar Association, elaborated on the importance of the relationship between the bench and the bar in the administration of justice.
The bar-bench relations effectively refers to the dynamic interaction and cooperation between lawyers and judges within the legal system. This relationship is fundamental, I believe, to the administration of justice. Lawyers represent their clients' interests in court, while judges make impartial decisions based on the law. Maintaining a professional, harmonious, and collaborative partnership of mutual respect between the bench and the bar is crucial for effective functioning of the legal system, and it requires understanding from both sides, without which the courts cannot effectively provide justice.
Meanwhile, UN Special Rapporteur on Enforced Disappearance, Honorable Justice Mohammed Ayad, highlighted the negative impact of enforced disappearances on the administration of justice and the families of the disappeared persons.
Enforced disappearance deprives the disappeared person from several human rights, notably the right to freedom of movement, the right to security and physical integrity, the right to a legal identity, the right not to be tortured, the right to enjoy the protection of the law, including the right to a fair trial. It potentially threatened the human rights of all rights, right to life. And very often it really end up fatal. For the family, enforced disappearance frequently means the loss of the only breadwinner, which brings a dramatic change, a dramatic deterioration of the socio-economic situation of the family, notwithstanding the serious moral suffering.
The high-level dialogue between the bench and the bar focused on various aspects of the country's justice delivery system, including an overview of the Code of Conduct for legal practitioners, effective case management, and the Code of Conduct for judicial officers. As part of the 2024 legal year celebration, the Judiciary of the Gambia will evaluate the training program for district tribunals presidents, members, and scribes, along with the launching and training of the members of the Association of Commissioners for Oaths and Notaries Public. Additionally, a football match between the bench and the bar will be held as part of the social events. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Landin Sise.